Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Manufacturing and assembly are processes where products get made and where lots of the value is created in any supply chain. And when you step back and look at the end-to-end supply chains, there are generally several steps in which someone is making something. In this video, we will share the basics of manufacturing. Let's begin. The words make, manufacture, produce, and assemble all means basically the same thing. You are transforming components and raw materials. Your input into high-value products become your output. And no matter what you are making, there are four things that you need to pay close attention to: safety, efficiency, capacity, and quality. First and foremost, you need to make sure that people are safe when they are doing their job. That means creating an environment where there is minimal risk of sudden injuries, like someone tripping, falling, or getting burned or shocked. And you also need to protect people from injuries that are the result of long-term exposure to hazards like loud noises, hazardous materials, or radiation. Sometimes you can make a work environment safe through engineering and design, but other times you need to have people use personal protective equipment. Common example of the PPE you might find in the factory are safety glasses, earplug, and steel-toe shoes. Now let's talk about efficiency. We measure the efficiency of a process by dividing an output of an input. For example, we could divide the number of products we have made in a week by the number of hours worked for that week. That would be a measurement of productivity or how efficiently the time was used. Next, you need to look at the capacity of a manufacturing process. Every machine and every process has limit on how much it can produce. That's the capacity. When you divide the amount that was actually produced, the output, by the capacity of a process, you get a percentage that's called your capacity utilization. The goal for any manufacturing process is usually to get both your efficiency and your capacity utilization as high as possible. Last but certainly not least, you need to look at quality. In order to use or sell something that you make, it needs to meet the standard and specifications of your customers. Quality problems lead to defective or substandard products that you can't sell. You might need to rework them, which will add cost and reduce your efficiency, or you might need to discount them, which will reduce your profit, or you might need to scrap them, which means you have wasted some of your capacity making something you couldn't sell. Those sort of problems add up and are called the cost of poor quality. Manufacturing plays a critical role in supply chain, and when you are preparing for your manufacturing in the shop floor, you will want to understand the basics of safety, efficiency, capacity, and quality. Okay, that's the end of my sharing in today's video. Check out other learning content at the end of this video. It helps you to understand all the basic manufacturing terminology in operations control. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am a business software coach. I really appreciate you guys here today. Have a great day, and I see you in my next video.